Just forget everything you thought you know about the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro because these phones are actually way better than what we expect. First and first, talk about something special we never thought we would see in an Android phone. Google is going to provide a 5 years of software update and 7 years of security patch upgrade. It's pretty impressive, but hold on your seat because we have something even more better exciting news. This year Pixel 8 series also improved the display. The Pixel 8 Pro will be come with up to 2400 peak brightness. The regular Pixel 8 will also shine. It's come with 2000 nit peak brightness, so it doesn't matter how bright the sun is. Another good news, the Google Pixel 8 Pro also come with LTPO display with 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate, and the charging speed is also upgraded to the Pixel 8 Pro support 30 watt fast charging and Pixel 8 support 27 watt fast charging. The official document also revealed the Pixel 8 Pro will starting from $899. However, the Pixel 8 will see price increasing as $100. By the way, here also leaked a promo video from the Google showing all the new camera features. You can check it out right here, and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.